some Hardie-Plank on this wall, and using the Hardie hangers. We've got the courses up to the rake on the gable end here, and I'm going to get up on the ladder and using the Hardie hangers show how these rake cut pieces go in. Okay, we want to position these about 18 inches from the ends so that we can get them out. In this situation, with the roof being over both ends, we can't have the Hardie hangers, both of them, on to begin with, so this one has to be slipped in after the fact. I'm going to slip this under the board, hook it on the back. There it is in place. Tighten the cam. And now it's being held by the Hardie hangers. It's ready for fastening. Screwing of Hardie-Plank on is really the ultimate good way of doing it. It's not the fast way, but it's the really secure way of fastening cement siding. Okay, now I'm going to take them out. Those are the initial fastenings. Now it's time to take the Hardie hangers out before we finish nailing the board off. Loosen the cam, pull the board out a little bit, take it out. I'm going to loosen the cam, pull the board out a little bit, slip the Hardie hanger out, and now we can finish fastening off the plank. Okay, there, that board is fastened off now. We're going to reposition the Hardie hangers for the next. Okay, now we'll get the next plank. Yeah. Okay, now we have to take this off so that we can get the board in. Slip it up under after the fact. Tighten the cam, and there it is. And the nice thing about the Hardie hangers is that it holds it while you position the board where it needs to be. The fasteners have to go through the plank, through the plywood, and into the studs. So you have to have lines of where the studs are. And as you progress up the wall with the siding, of course, you have to keep extending your lines up if you haven't made them all the way up to begin with, which I didn't. So I'm about to cover up these lines, so I have to extend them up. Okay. Now it's time to put the board in. Okay. Now I'm going to be countersinking with these fastenings. This is a spacing tool so that I have my hole at the right spot. We're fitting the next to the last piece. Hardie hangers are normally put about a foot from each end. And we've got this gas thing in the way. Go over here and get the plank that I've got cut. Let's see now, I have to pay attention to the pattern. This kind of Hardie-Plank has a shingle pattern on it. So as each course progresses, you have to shift the pattern so you don't put the same grooves on top of each other. Okay. It's in there. Put the ends first. Now we can take out the hangers.